We just left our hotel and just
Started
made,
walking.
made a left and started walking.
Yeah. Wow.
Wow.
In Rome.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I know. Finally got you up out of bed. Oh, there's my colors right there.
Yeah. You need some gloves.
Like
Like,
the scarves too. That one's really pretty.
yeah, those are totally your colors too.
Those are my colors.
Yep.
Oh.
Little window shopping. Yeah. Are these your people, Valerie?
These are my peoples.
Your perfume people?
My perfume peoples.
Okay. Okay. I didn't know you had worldwide peoples, but that's good.
Yeah. My peoples. Oh. Perfume.
Yeah.
My peoples. So
Oh yeah, this is the wall. When in Rome, eat gelato.
you saw that one gelato place.
Yeah.
I gotta go. We don't know where we are. We're gonna have to look at a map and figure it out. We'll be right back.
That's culture, baby.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So we're gonna take Bill and Lisa saying that's art.
That's culture.
We're gonna call it culture.
I'm not sure what that is, but
There's a sign.
it looks cool.
Some sort of institute.
So if you believe, the assassino will lead the way.
Huh? Really?
Oh yeah.
Seriously?
Yeah, well,
So you gotta climb across the buildings and stuff?
yeah. I can scale these walls.
Like in Assassin's Creed?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
All the buses stop here for stop number 7. They're really kind of marked out pretty good. Well, I don't know if they're marked like this everywhere, but
You have to walk down to the Spanish Steps and stuff.
yeah.
But we're going.
Wow.
What?
That's pretty.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I've never been here before.
Me neither. Really cool.
Is it?
Yeah. I like it. So, you excited?
Well, I'm really excited for that tour this evening. And maybe if we try going live before we go, maybe I can go live while we're going.
Right? That'd be awesome.
I think I'm gonna do that.